Hi everyone! Today we are doing the cooking vocabulary quiz. Let's get started. Choose the correct answer. You peel a banana before eating. Whisk the mixture to make it light. You bake brownies. You squeeze a lemon to get some juice. To make boiled potato smooth, you mash it. To roast a chicken, you cook it in an oven. To fry means to cook in a pan with hot oil. To boil an egg, you need to put it into water. Grate the cheese to make pizza. Spread some tomato sauce on the pizza base. Chop the vegetables to cook soup. Pour coffee in the cup. Stir the jam while cooking. When it's hot, ice cream melts. Grill the food for 20 minutes from each side. Well done! What's your score? Write in comments. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn English.